On average, 34% of the people who go to a particular theater are men. So here 34% is nothing but probability. So that is 0.34. So probability of people who go to a particular theater are men is 34%, that is 0.34. Okay, next. Use an approximation to find the probability that in a random sample of 600 people who go to the theater, fewer than 190 are men. So here you need to find the probability of what condition means this one. Fewer than 190 means X, less than 190. Now, random sample of 600 people. So 600 is nothing but N. Clear? Now, this is what you need to find out. Now here you have to use an approximation, and here X is less than 190. You have to use an approximation X is less than 190. From that, binomial distribution cannot be applied. So we should apply normal distribution. Clear? Now, in any normal distribution, we have to use this one. That is P of X less than N is nothing but phi of N minus mean by standard deviation. Here you should look out for this symbol. It should be less than. Only then P will get converted to phi. Clear? Now come here. Here normal is not given and you are using normal. In that case, you should do 0.5 correction. Normal is not given, you are using normal, so you should do 0.5 correction. What do I mean is, see, if I say this is the normal distribution curve and 190 is here, less than 190 means this area is what you need to find out. Now, normal is not given, you are using normal, so you should do 0.5 correction. What do I mean is, shift this bar to the left side till 189.5. 190 should not be included. So this is what I mean by 0.5 correction. So this will now change to P of X less than 189.5. Okay. Next, analyze that there is less than symbol. So whenever there is less than symbol, P will change to phi. So phi of 189.5 minus mean by standard deviation. So now we should calculate mean and standard deviation. So formula for calculating mean is C, is N into P. So N is 600 into P is 0.34. So that will be 204. And formula for calculating standard deviation is square root of NP into 1 minus P. So N is 600 into 0.34 into 1 minus 0.34. Now, put this at once in the calculator. You get it to be 134.64. Okay. Now replace mean and standard deviation over here. So mean is 204. Standard deviation is square root of 134.64. Now, put this in the calculator and take up to 3 decimal places. So we get phi of minus 1.250. Now I should make this into positive. For that I should do 1 minus. So whenever I do 1 minus, the negative will become positive. Okay, now this value you will get from normal distribution table. If any doubts in using normal distribution table, look at the playlist given in the description. So this value you should get it to be 0.8946. So 1 minus this is nothing but 0.1054. So this is the answer. Clear? So every normal distribution, so every normal approximation question, we do it in this way. Okay.